Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make omelets the Haitian way. First you will need 3 eggs. I have 3 eggs in here. You need chopped chives, salt, cayenne pepper, lime, onion, nutmeg, that's my choice, Maggi, and parsley, and some olive oil. But at the end, when the egg is about to be ready, I like to add some cheddar cheese. But this is not the Haitian way. This is just something I like to do. Okay, I'm dropping stuff now. And I also have some tomatoes and some onions. Now my pot is, I added some olive oil in that pot already so I can hear it. And now I added the nutmeg in there, parsley, and also salt and pepper.